Hello, what's up guys? This is Lennon Tech. Welcome to my channel. Today's video guys, I'm gonna show you my computer setup inside my room. So I think way back 2022 or 2021, that's the last time I do long form content about computers. I have not been active in this YouTube account since April 2022 because I got a job. So this is a time for me now to do it. Guys, I'm gonna tour you to my PC setup, gaming setup, whatever setup, I'll let you see. So this is my gaming PC right here in front of us. What we have here is a secret lab chair, which is the Titan Evo chair, and I have a triple monitor down here, which is the brand is a PRISM. Right here is a 34-inch, and here this side is 24-inch. Way back before I purchased this, I think it's $499 SGD. This is X340 Pro 165. This is ultra wide curved monitor and have 180 Hz. And this right here is a 24-inch Prism Blast. So on top of that, I have this Xbox remote control. I'm using this for playing NBA, of course. I have my Stream Deck over here. I've been using this for around 3 years already, and because before that I've been doing streaming. And I have my Insta360 Go S. And my keyboard is a Cooler Master, which is a wireless. It can be connected to Wi-Fi as well. And I have my wireless headset, and I have my Logitech mouse. Alright guys, we are here right now in my CPU, and the processor of this is AMD RYZEN 7 5700X 8-core processor, 8 cores and 16 threads. So the motherboard is a B550 AORUS Elite, and then the memory, there is a 32 gig from CORSAIR Vengeance, RTX 4060 AERO GIGABYTE, which is 8 gig memory, and the cooling system is from LIANLI. I already forget the model of this, but I have total 9 fans over here. I have the M.2 inside, and I have 2 SSD behinds. So from here you can see there's a lot of octopus wiring here, so that's the best I can do. So this is my, I think is the last PC that I built. So in my streaming camera, I have Sony Alpha Nex 3. It's a flip, can be flip the screen on this. And for my microphone, I have this is what you call this HyperX Solocast white version. So in this PC build, actually I try to hide some of the wiring, and I learned this PC build from Texas. I've been always watching his channel, how to build a PC, and you know, I really like it, especially his content about the setup wars. Then those PC build they will send to Texas, and Texas is gonna review. So this is my Humble PC setup, gaming setup, whatever setup it is. So I've been using this for gaming, for my work purposes, and these are all the contents that I have. So those specifications later on, maybe I will drop on the descriptions later. And also I have been thinking of, you know, redoing this my computer setup. Maybe I'm thinking to put something else behind this wall, or maybe some 3D I don't know, 3D panel something, or maybe I just remove this extra monitor. Maybe I just maintain one monitor in the middle. So if you guys have any idea to make my PC setup to make look better, please share with me, and I'm willing to see what are the ideas that you're going to give it to me. So more on this channel is about computers, PCs. You may ask me about it, and maybe I can help you, especially from doing PC build. I can help you that. If you have some questions about the PC build, you may feel free to ask me, and I will reply you ASAP. So for those been commented before to my previous videos, so sorry if I never reply you very fast, as I've been just come back to redo a video on this channel. So this time around I try to reply fast. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you support my channel, and I hope you like this video. You may share if you want, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you again. See ya.